In today's vlog, we're exploring teamLab in Tokyo and seeing where the day takes us.
This is bonkers, guys. Wow, that's cool. Let's go eat something. We're hungry. Keep going on our day in Tokyo. Having a lot of fun here. Alright, so we're now going 3 flights of stairs down? 2, 3? I lost count. So we're going deep into the heart of Tokyo. We gotta get to this Nagatacho train station. There's a lot of trains here. We got scared for a second there. That ticket wasn't working. We got jammed, so thought we bought the wrong place, so we're gonna have to figure it out. But we got it. All right, we made it. Let's watch a presentation.
Thank you very much for your attention.
This is bonkers, guys. This is, wow. That's cool. Great success. We're going to the next one, which is the garden. All right. What is it? Oh, that's cool. Nice. Let's go check out this flower gift shop. Open. Never mind. It only fits like 2 people. The one flower that I saw on the corner looked amazing. Let's go eat something. We're hungry.
After that, we headed to the train station to catch our train. Then stopped by a 7-Eleven to grab something to eat and just took our time enjoying it.
All right, quick break. 7-Eleven over there. We got a
We never eat on train.
chicken, egg, vegetables, and chili sauce.
This sounds.
It looks. It's got. Not sponsored by 7-Eleven, but sponsor us, yo.
You're making a mess.
7-Eleven food is very good. Very good.
That's a good pound cake. In a package. It's moist and crystallized.
One might say you like to get pounded.
After that, we stopped by a Starbucks Reserve. And it wasn't just coffee. They had donuts, pizza, and some really special stuffed pastries. We decided to try the pizza, and honestly, it was so good. Warm, cheesy, and full of flavor. With so many great options around, it turned into such a satisfying little food stop.
All right, we just finished up at Starbucks. I gotta go get my hair cut. She's gonna go to the mall. Keep going on our day in Tokyo. Having a lot of fun here. Hope you guys are having fun, because I'm having fun. Lots of it. Okay, so we're in a basement, and this is a pretty cool barbershop. There's so much little details. There's whiskey up there, scotch. Really like it. All right, guys, how's that? Obviously, I can't show you how I've been working. It was awkward, but little cuts here, little cuts there. All right, out of this basement. I gotta go find my wife, and my kids. They're somewhere around in this general area. Let's take a look. All right, found him. He's right there. Look at that. We're back in another music store, the Yamaha music store. See what this is all about. Cool. That was fun. It's a full-fledged Yamaha store. Yep. So you can get all your right there, Yamaha. Right there. You can get all your instruments there, but there's no Yamaha motors and no Yamaha dirt bikes. Boo. I wanted to get a Yamaha dirt bike and a guitar.
Oh, what did you get, Mom?
Found her. She went somewhere else. Well, we found her again.
And then we made our way to the train station to catch our train and headed back to our hotel. See you in the next one.